Hello, design lovers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo. I am your host, Betsy Helmuth, here to bring you your daily dose of affordable and modern interior design inspiration. Whether you are in the bustling heart of New York City or the serene suburbs of Westchester, New Jersey, Connecticut, or Washington, D.C., we have got something special for you today. Today, I am thrilled to share a DIY accent wall idea that has me absolutely smitten. It is budget-friendly, incredibly easy to do, and the best part? You do not need to be a master painter to pull it off. This genius project comes from Tracy Varndell, who you can find on Instagram at @AfraidAtHome. Now, even though I love DIY projects and am totally down to paint a wall a solid color or apply peel and stick wallpaper, I am not actually that deft with detailed hand painting. So when I stumbled upon Tracy's project of little painted rectangles, I was instantly in love. The beauty of this project is that it actually leans into any mistakes and imperfections, making it perfect for beginners. Tracy was looking to add a painted accent to a very plain and boring wall in a main thoroughfare in her house. All it took was one leftover tile from her kitchen project, a pencil, a paintbrush, and a sample-sized pot of paint to create a cool pattern that was very beginner-friendly. Can you believe that? Here is how she did it. Tracy traced the same tile repeatedly with a pencil to outline the rectangles, then filled them in by hand with leftover paint. While a stencil would have made super crisp lines, the slight variation in the hand-painted rectangles adds so much charm. It is the same effect you would get from bespoke handmade tile. Tracy even mentioned on Instagram that she wanted the rectangles to be uneven, wonky, and not uniform. Honestly, I think that makes the project even more delightful. It is not only beginner-friendly, but also incredibly versatile. Imagine using this technique to spruce up a mudroom floor or a kitchen backsplash on a budget. The possibilities are endless, and you can customize it with any color you like. Tracy used split pink paint by Little Green Paint Company for her project. Many people think this wall accent is actually tile, which just goes to show how effective this technique is. You can also vary the shape of the tile you trace to get the exact look you are after. For example, a hex shape would create a charming honeycomb pattern. This idea was inspired by Ji Hea Kim's dining room makeover, which also looks fantastic. If you want to read more about Tracy's amazing $30 project, head over to the full before and after on apartment therapy. And if you need help finding a stencil or tile shape that suits your style, they have got you covered with a handy guide on how to choose a tile that matches your aesthetic. We gave professional organizer Mary Cornetta just $25 to spend at IKEA, and you will not believe the fantastic organizing products she found. Mary has been in the professional organizing industry for over 5 years and is the founder of Sort and Suite Incorporated, a professional organizing company on Long Island. She has worked with hundreds of clients to clear their clutter and create functional systems in their homes. Recently relocated to Savannah, she continues to own and operate the business with the help of a talented team. Mary has been a weekly contributing writer for Better Homes and Gardens and House Digest, and has been interviewed as an expert by Martha Stewart Living, Real Simple, and Health magazines. On her blog, Organized Overall, she details how she creates organization in her own home. So, with just $25 in hand, Mary headed to IKEA. Thanks to IKEA's new lower price campaign, she found some amazing deals and managed to come in at just $23.46, a whole $1.54 under budget before taxes. First on her list was the Vardigan jar with lid, which cost just $7.99. This glass-lidded jar is incredibly versatile. Sure, it looks great storing bow tie pasta and rolled oats on pantry shelves, but do not stop there. Mary uses it to keep sewing thread spools, wool dryer balls, Epsom bath salts, and anything else she wants to contain, yet have accessible. She finds the 64-ounce size versatile enough to repurpose as storage needs change. Currently, she is using it to store Nespresso pods, her dog's dental treats, and backstock toiletries for guests. One word of caution: keep it out of reach if you have little ones in the house, as it weighs over 2 pounds when empty and can shatter if dropped. Next up, the Tiana magazine file at just $3.99 for a pack of 2. As a professional organizer, Mary has sourced her fair share of office organizers, and these are some of the least expensive she has come across. She loves the minimalist design, and the cutout opening makes it effortless to pull from a high shelf. These files are perfect for hiding the visual clutter of backstock printer paper, manila folders, letter-size mailers, and more in your workspace. For $9.99, Mary picked up the Krallig basket. IKEA sells several eco-friendly products made of renewable materials like water hyacinth, jute, and rattan, and this new basket is hand-woven with sedge, a type of grass. It is designed to be used with either the handles turned upright or turned down so you can see the items inside peeking out. If you want to conceal your stuff and keep the living room clutter-free, leave the handles up after stashing away pet toys, cord clutter, and extra blankets. Finally, for just $1.49, she grabbed the Havercross wall organizer hooks. Mary, who has ADHD, has created landing zones in her apartment for essentials so she can ensure they never go missing. A wall-mounted organizer by the front door is the first thing she suggests to anyone struggling with lost keys or sunglasses. This simple steel organizer includes 4 hooks plus a small shelf and is magnetic, so you can even leave yourself little reminder notes. The gray-beige color is discreet, but if you need a more obvious reminder, you can opt for the bright yellow version. If you are on the hunt for an eye-catching cottagecore-inspired floral rug for your home, I have got fantastic news. HomeGoods is selling the popular Rifle Paper Company rug, and it is on sale for just $200. TikTok content creator Hannah, who you can find at Ahana Sulkov, shared this incredible find in a recent viral video first posted on July 13th. She wrote, "I walked into HomeGoods with no intention of buying anything, but then I saw this beauty and had to have her." The rug is officially known as Rifle Paper Company's Eden Mughal Garden printed rug. According to its website, its floral pattern is inspired by traditional Indian textile designs and is made in collaboration with fellow rug brand Loloy's Cloud Pile Construction, which prioritizes thick, soft fabric. If Hannah's video left you ready to add the rug to your space, you are clearly not the only one who is interested. Since she shared her video 5 days ago, it has received over 312,600 likes and 2.6 million views. One TikToker commented, "When I tell you I have been hunting for this rug on sale for months." Another commenter wrote, "Might be the most stunning rug I have ever seen. Oh my gosh, what a find." Although it is not clear in the video what size Hannah spotted in her local HomeGoods, you can find the rug on Rifle Paper Company's website in 9 different sizes. The 5'7" version of the rug is on final sale for $256, down from its original $320 price on Rifle Paper Company's site. You can also find the Mughal Garden Rug on Wayfair, where it is sold in both a blue, orange, cream, and green colorway, and in a black colorway. For a quick price comparison, the same 5'7" rug is available on Wayfair for $178.80, and it currently boasts a star rating of 4.8 out of 5 on Wayfair's website, according to more than 1,300 reviews. One 5-star reviewer wrote, This is the softest rug I have ever felt. I have had it for a couple of months and the color is just like new. Best rug purchase I have made so far.